All right, so we won't waste no time. Let's not try to. We'll just dive right in. So yesterday we got as far as. Okay, let me see this wording first. Unused export property view. Let's go back to modal view. Hey, let's leave it. We'll have to use it sooner or later. All right, so we have first. Go back to app. Let's close some of this. Which ones we don't need? To app. No, let's go to this model store, and default should be false again. All right, so we click on this, and then it shows the model. Okay, fine. Yeah, all right. First we're gonna look into some of this we don't need no more. A lot of console logs, and click outside. Yeah, so let me commit some of these changes first. I don't need this screen. All right, so I have this. Let's really, I don't know, click events. And I have get add stores model model store. Add I guess context or model store, whatever that means. All right, so yeah, let's add kid. Now you have see what's okay. So you have all right. So I have so Aquarium can open the model and app. Yeah, so really, this is mostly about just go add that spell. I don't know. So what I'm doing here, I'm just more like I'm registering it. I mean, importing it into the app directory. Okay, I'm just gonna put maybe register model state, and what's left? Add when it's aquarium. This should be open add view, add view model. Trigger. Okay. Wait, where's my mouse? Okay. All right. So once we have those comments out of the way, let's worry about. We don't need this no more. I don't think we need this store either. This is wrong. I mean, it's fine, but this error should have gone already. But it doesn't matter. Aquarium, I don't think we need it anymore because all we need is to launch it to open this model. All right, so we have the model view that we have to worry about. And I guess we don't really need it here. We can get the model view from here. All right, so if view equals add, this should be what is shown. But let's worry about creating this first. Okay, so it'll be the same as just hmm, as settings view, maybe settings. This is okay. Handle toggle, handle input. Okay, but the settings require the store, a passing store. So maybe not this is what I require. To rewrite the store to be able to retrieve the context, maybe. Because if I have to use it to store in the model, how would I do that? Okay, let me just try getting the view first. So I need really, let me just copy the UI and we'll see from there. We have goal and intake. No, I need really, what do I need? Intake. So you just change the intake and the time. Copy this and then copy. What am I missing? Measurement, intake. Oh yeah, I need the time. I need a time input. Okay, so let me go here and we delete all of this and let's change his values to be like, oh, this is not a goal. This is change this to intake. I might just switch to amount, maybe amount and value would be yeah. Let's give it this value like 250 for now. Let's put this hard code some values and let's not have it on change yet. Same here and oh no, this is the same. All right, so let's let me remove this and change inside 300 or 250. Input class, maybe I'll just copy this input class. Okay, on change isn't anything. All right, fine. That's so. And I need a. Input start time. And then, yeah, I need something, well, similar to this time. even though it's not start time, it's going to be, I don't even know what the current time it is at. So if I go to Play Store, I log time and amount. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. Time and amount. Top of the morning, top of the morning. Yeah, maybe there's no value. Time would be, I guess, it has to be like currently this current time. Really? Oh, I'm not changing. I'm doing the wrong thing. What did I change? No. Yeah, I'm on the wrong screen. I'm not on settings. Should be here. Log time and value would be. Let's change it to. Well, currently it's 17:38, and window input is gonna change to. For now, let's just get the layout. See if that layout works first. Kind of. So maybe I have to add some kind of each one. Add blog new new intake class equals text center text extra large text font bold maybe. All right, and let's give this let's give it a, I don't know, height of 1/2 maybe. I want it to be big, a little bit bigger, take some room. Or no, this is doesn't have a height, so let's give a specific height. Height of, let's say, 150. Or maybe 200. Ooh, 200. All right, and then we'll give it a padding of like 4, maybe 2. All right, so that's okay. All right, so this is not going to be, it has to be a flex column. There's no point in keeping them on one single line. And this is, okay, this is not, okay, so I need this to be with 4 really. Or, no, um, maybe make it a flex, not flex column. It should be a flex row. And justify between item center. This is not 1/2. This is a full width. Yeah, and let's change this to text and then with one half. Okay, yeah, maybe something like that. Let's copy this to this one, replace this, and change this to one half. And let's maybe instead of just 6, gap between all of it. No, so let's put gap at 6, and then for y, gap maybe like 4. That's fine. And all right, so let's divide 2, divide 2. Yeah, just margin top. Or maybe, yeah, margin top. We'll 6 to 1 space in between. We'll see. So when I update this, I need this to. Okay, let me change this already to background. Change this to like whatever cyan. I've been using cyan, so let's go with cyan. All right. And if I'm using cyan, maybe so text text white maybe. It's probably better to use what doesn't look bad using white all the way through if I use white. So let's probably just use that. Whatever. Probably easier to just put Tailwind config and just set the default text to be white. All right, so probably need. All right, uh, the next button here. So I need cancel, which doesn't do anything, and I want the save here. But that would be like the default. So that means it's really I have something an icon here that's positioned absolutely here, and then 2 buttons here that's positioned absolutely. And those buttons could be cancel and save, or if I'm what else could it be? Yes, cancel and save, or clear, or maybe no. If there's congratulations screen, you don't really need to cancel and save buttons. Whatever, let's just have it like that. So we'll have stick values for it now. It won't affect anything. Okay, so we have, okay, let's add one, let's add a X icon here. I think I used X icon somewhere in our log list. Let's just copy that. The only difference is that it's going to be like positioned absolutely somewhere here. Oh, it should probably just be a component at this point instead of writing it twice. We'll do a big refactor at the end. Wait, why do you close? Oh, handle remove. On click, this would be closed model like as well. That's my missing. Okay, now find name I. Okay, data index. Oh, it doesn't need a data index. Great. Okay, not there. So I need to be positioned inside of this. So with I want to be absolute right, like minus right four maybe. I want to be like all the way here. Or maybe relative. Yeah, relative. Wait, what? This is model content, right? Am I looking at? No. Oh, no. Uh, if I place it here. But it's not. Okay. So if I place it like that, that means this is the actual view of whatever I want it to be. So this, this is the view I switch upon. So if view equals, let's see. Okay, yeah, let's go remove this P4. This would be, maybe let's just copy this. Don't really need this properties, I don't think. Yeah, okay, so right, maybe two. And let's maybe text background, no, I guess background white. Or maybe the stroke, let's change the stroke to white. And let's have top be two as well. Oops. And let's make it smaller. Five maybe. Yeah, five looks okay. And let's go this some kind of, should it be in line or no? I don't know. Yeah, maybe if I click this, it's not closing the modal. I have it on click to close modal, right? Yeah. Um, oh, great. Okay, let me see. And clicking outside of it closes the modal, but using this button does not. Is it even registering that it's clicked? Let me see. So let's investigate. All right. Yeah, it's probably not. Doesn't even seem like. Yeah, there's no click event on it. Maybe it's like behind the other stuff. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. Okay, so I'm getting confused at what level some of these is Z index. Z-index properties are at. I think I used 10 and 100 for most of them, but this button has to be higher. Why did I put 0? Let's see if I just remove it. It should be the same level as maybe one of them. This is 50, so it should be the same level maybe. No. Content. This price is like 50 as well. Yeah, it works. I don't know. Wait, does each, I don't know how, I'm trying to understand if Z index is relative to the the layer that it's currently on. So if I, cause that's what it seems like. This is Z index of 50, right? So it'd be this entire model. I think this, I don't know where model content is, but and then this is above it. So that means this model content is now okay. It's above 50, but now anything on top of it starts at 0, maybe. Whatever it works. So yeah, let's go back to closed model. That should be it. All right, so we have that view, and that should be like enough for you have a save or you have a cancel, and then we have save cancel button. Yeah, so we're gonna have several views in here, right? So really, okay, let me try using the views. So if it's called if view equals add, then this, and you only have add view right now. So I could have a now like a save button here. All right, so that didn't mean. Um, let's see. So let's have a button here. I guess save. Don't really know how else to do it. Class equals text. Let's go like 18 pixels. Text white. Text bold. Width 10. Height 6. I don't know. Let's see how it looks like. And let's put like background. Maybe background white and text. Let's put cyan. We invert it. And let's add padding of like 4. That's probably too much. With okay, let's I changed it went to like 16. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this height is great now. It's not right. Yeah, this height is not normal. 8. I think I had it right at 6 or whatever. And rounded medium. Oh no, font black. And let's put upper. I don't know. I was gonna put uppercase or whatever, but like I have going like lowercase, no font black is now semi bold. Text cyan doesn't make sense. Let's go back to black. Okay, so then I have relative, and let's put it at bottom like 4 and right at 4. But maybe, yeah, maybe the height is off now because I have this. No, okay. So maybe make this absolute. No, it don't have to be negative. But okay. Um, go back to relative. I wanted only to show on the view. Uh, how would I do that? Maybe not if I don't include it in here. What if I include it outside of it? So that means it'll still be, yeah, that makes more sense maybe. Yeah, something like that. No. Okay, click save. Yeah, we have to add all the fancy stuff like if you on hover or something, highlight it. I don't know. We'll do that later if we get to it. And maybe let's round this model. Yeah, okay. All right, so it looks like we're doing good. Let's change this to 4 maybe. So it kind of all lines up. I don't know. Okay, maybe it doesn't have to line up. What if I have it 1? Yeah, I think that's also fine. Like way in the corner. Okay, so we have um a static hard-coded screen or whatever. Let's see if we get the save. If I have to put a Z index on the save as well. No, it'll be here. No, I don't. Okay. All right, so let's. So either on either we have to add a handler to models, a save handler to models, and that could be, I guess, on our app screen here, and save handler, whatever. We pass in, what would it be? Today store dot, so it'd be today dot log intake or whatever. Yeah, today, yeah, log intake. Add, or add, it's going to be add, this add, no, oh, I'll have to create a new one. So maybe like manual log, add log, add log custom intake, yeah, log custom. And it would be amount and the time. Yeah, let's work on this first. So, and it would be, oh God, okay. So based on the time, I would find where it would slot in. So if I put in the time for 4:49 p.m., it should be here, right? Wait, how would I do that? I have to find a difference between the two numbers, right? Or the smallest, or arranged. What would it be? Okay, so it already goes from. Mm, it's already okay. Yeah. Okay. So, let me try to see it. So I already have it loaded from the. Where would it be? Ooh, I was going to say from the shortest time to the longest time, but the thing is, this doesn't use um okay, I have to insert the log somewhere so it makes sense. The only issue is here I use the locale to get the time, so maybe I have to change this into the locale as well, right? So new date would be, and then set the time to whatever the locale. I mean, set the get custom timestamp. I don't know. That's what I'm considering. So I put in four. I mean, not it'll be 4:49 or something. So I put in 4 p.m. Right? Where do I insert it? Should be like right here. All right. Yeah, let me think about this. I mean, I'm gonna put a chat GPT or okay, maybe just try ask. Uh, yeah, Java JS get difference between hour, minute, time values. Is that no? Okay, I'm not gonna try those. Okay, let's go to chat. This is what it's for. Okay, so let's say, what is my question really? Okay, I have values in an array such as let me get a list. Okay, 559. Wait, am I including the meridian or whatever? AM, PM. When I save it, let me look at this. Inspect. I don't know. All right, so I am saving it. Okay, let's say 5:59 p.m. and 12:09 a.m. I want to insert a new value such as 4 412, but I want to maintain the array order to be from, I guess, latest in the day, latest in the day to earliest in the day. I need to determine at which index to insert any new time values. For the example of 4:12 p.m., the array should, that'll probably be for both your array should be, let me copy this, and this is where it would be the 4:12 p.m. Oh my God, stop. It's always Python, Python if we don't specify. Use JavaScript. Okay, yeah, okay. It's kind of almost there. The only thing is, in our case, where we have log custom time, our time input would be what in the form of whatever we get from the. Wait, how are we doing that? So if I go to sessions, so right, sessions. Yeah, let me look at what's happening in sessions. How am I saving the start time and end time? In settings, I go start time. Oh, I guess I'm not. It's 1800. It's already okay. The time will already be in. I guess in our so so I don't need to convert. Okay, no, I probably still need to. I'll have to convert these values, not the current value on submission. All right, so let's try that again. So let's see if this works. So we have get index, get insertion index. So I need to get the logs. Right, all I need is logs. Get the logs, and I need a function to find insertion, find insertion index. Oh man, okay. Convert to 24-hour stream. So let's go to const what's it called? Formatted logs. So just be logs dot map. Let's pull out the time log and just return. Okay, let's just pull out the. I return what log and time would be convert to convert to 24 format, 24-hour format. And we'll just place this here, use this as a method. After we verify it's successful, then we'll move it to our util maybe. Why is it here? Sometimes I had no idea where the cursor is. Formatted. Yeah, maybe don't even keep the log. Let's just return the time. Okay, find insertion for times. Here, let's go times and new time. And let's see if that makes sense. So new time format, you don't have to change the new time one because it's already whatever. And find insertion port, we don't have to do any of that. So we just have to, I guess, really for this one, times on length. Why return the length? Find insertion index. Let I equals I less than times on length I plus plus. If new time is greater than time format times at I, return I. Oh, I guess at the end. So if you never found it, you want to return it at the earliest, maybe? No. Yeah, at the end, you want to return the index of the time. So it'd be instead of way at the bottom. If it's not between, oh no. Yeah, whatever. We'll think it'll work out. Greater than equal to times at I. We don't need to convert it because we've already converted it. If new time, return I. Otherwise, return times all length. Okay, fine. So const insert position, insert index equals this dot find index. Insert position, it'll be formatted time logs and time. Excuse me. Time, oh, time log, right? So once we get that, I guess const locale. Oh, great. So I have to. Oh, okay. So I have to end up taking this and changing it. Sorry. Or maybe I don't have to, because I'm changing it before. Maybe just when I load the screens, I just have it reflect the locale time instead of saving it as locale time. We'll see. Because I need to. No, let's just try saving it first. So we can just delete it. Okay. So we have. As soon as we have insert index, then we just so we go to logs dot splice at insert index. We're not removing anything, and we're adding in the amount time here. And then we'll end up going, what is it? Basically this is the update. And then will be logs. So I have to see what to do so I don't forget me to do update time to be locale time. Okay, so the big question was, do I does a mortal accept a handler, right? Because we're gonna have a save handler. I guess it could because it's only on the view, on the save view, and I don't want it past the entire store. So, and most other buttons would just be to close it. Like if I have a help icon and I open a help modal, oh, this would be to close, and this would be inside the modal. So maybe it's fine. I was thinking maybe I would need to cap the store values. Oh, what happens if I want to edit? Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's the issue. Maybe if I wish to edit, obviously I'm gonna have to open it with this data, 1209A return 50 milliliters for the amount. So how would I get out? I would need to access this value that's clicked. So maybe the store has to access it. I don't know if you want to edit values. Like if you already set it up now, I'm not gonna allow you to edit it. Maybe you delete it and that's it. If you want to edit it, just close it and add a new one. Yeah, let's not worry about that yet. So let's try model can let's have a model accept board that let's call it action handler. And I don't know, it probably just returns void. And maybe this is even Oh, wait a minute. How am I gonna get these values? So maybe it's yeah, this should be like a form really. Form on submit maybe. Should be able to access submit values maybe. Attempted to close an element that was not open. Oh yeah, maybe I got ooh. Oh no, okay. This is form. This has to be the button has to be inside of form, no? I don't know. Great, great, great. Oh, there's no action handler. Is that why? Let's go back to app. So let's have function save save custom log. Yeah, I forgot how to do how to do how to get the values from this form input form. It's not even connected, I don't think. So it would be what an event for on submit is an event. Let's try and then form on submit. Okay, form element submit. Wait, this doesn't really. Okay, this is the event. Okay, on submit event. So I probably need an event. Probably action handler should listen for an event. 'Cause, 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 is so if I click submit, I should be able to get submit properties in. Form actions, handling forms and stuff. Um, oh, I just accept this. I think I have it as not accepting. It accepts needs to accept an event. The HTML form. And I should be, or should it be? I'm looking at submit event. Okay. Be able to get the form data. No, probably no. Okay, so what's happening? Save custom log. I have an action handler. So maybe, what if I get the event and pass it to pass it like this? Call save. Okay, how do I connect? Okay, HTML form. Let's see. I'm doing something wrong. So you have a submit button. Type submit value. Oh, the button has to be up type submit, I think. If I type equals submit, otherwise it's just a regular button. And I have prevent default or something because it's not sending it anywhere. Ooh. Hey, it probably has to be inside of the form. Let me see if I just place it inside the form. Otherwise, maybe there's another way to connect them without it being inside the form. Great, where's the button now? Or relative. Okay, this clicks. Well, something broke. What? Oh, there was. But then it closed. There was like a flash of whatever. How do I like prevent? Do not. Let's preserve log and see what happens. Okay, custom log save. Form data is empty. Yeah, I already have prevent default. Okay, maybe let's go here. Here as well, prevent default. Okay, there. Prevent default, so we should have custom logs. Okay, form data, no form data. Name John. Type value, ID and name. Do I need okay label for F name? Okay, maybe I'm missing. Okay, if it's a form, what do I need? So I have type time name. Oh no, it's not even started. Name would be I just call it time. What does a form really mean? If I put ID equals time and I put label for equals time, maybe let's try. And let's put for equals amount. This is the actual amount to. And let's have ID of amount. I don't think it needs yet. ID, or maybe it does to connect these two values. Okay, so click save. Form data. Here's form data dot values. How do I get the values from form data? Did I ever log? Yeah, let me see what's target is first. I actually should have it. Click save. Target is form, right? And how do I get form data? Let's see what they use. So we have a form on submit, prevent default. We log something, right? Please save on the validate function. Let me see if I could get const form data equals new form data e dot target. And then let me console log form data. Okay, no, maybe let's move that here. Let's see what this form data is. I don't know. Okay. What if I put form data dot get all? Let me look at what form data will, how to get device on form data. Okay, create a new one. I delete entries dot get all keys dot values dot entries. Yeah, let me see if I can see what it has at least, if it has anything. values. Oh no, I need to log in. Return an iterator. Okay, let me see if I maybe. What if I just spread it out? Should be the same, right? Same result. Okay, there. Oh, really? I just want the entries. Oof. The entries, let me see. Entries would give me, okay, do the same thing, but it give me the key as well, maybe. So, the time and amount. Mm, let me just see. Might as well. No, okay, it's got to be a better way. No, still the same. Okay. Okay, now since this is simple, let me let me yeah, this is getting this is probably generalizing it. I don't need to do that. So I only have two values. I only have time and an amount, right? So I can get the keys. Oh, okay, maybe let me see. The values will always be the same, I think. The same format, if I check. I mean, the same sequence. So I say it's going to be the time and then whatever it is, time and then the measurement amount. So really, all I need to do is const log would be amount and const form values would be form data data values. I'll spread it out and I can pull out the time and the amount. And here, amount and time here. Nope, time and amount. Oh, well, it doesn't really matter here. So when I go to today, dot, no, today's, yeah, today dot log custom, what is it called? Log custom intake. Log custom intake. Pass in log. So let's try with 275. And right now it's, yeah, whatever. Let's put one at like 3 o'clock. So 15:38 here. I click save. 15:38. Oh no. 15:38 would be 3 o'clock, right? 3 p.m. Wait, is this working right? No, it's not working right, but I'm wondering if this. Okay, let me see. Just have ChatGPT refactor this for me. Refactor this to take hour, minutes string. Such as when setting new date. It's called format time string, time string, in terms of string, sure. Yeah, that makes sense. And then splits the hours, two numbers, and then it gets a new date and then sets the hours. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. So let me, instead of going, um, so time would be, say, this dot format time. So, yeah, that I think that would resolve this case. Where is it? Wait, did I not save it? Did I delete it? So if I save this, 1738, and I close it, 1738 would be 5:38 p.m., right? So it would have been here. Okay, so this does not, what is this? Custom login take. It's find insertion port. If hour equals 12, modifier equals 12 p.m. Okay, first I format them to 24-hour time. The current values in the log because they'll always have PM and whatever, right? Format log time, and the time is already in 24-hour format, right? Okay, so why is it inserting it here? Maybe if I, let's try it if I reverse it. Does it think maybe it's going the other way? Also, is it even updating it? Or no, I have to send the message as well. Okay, yeah, okay, so I'm not, that's why when I refresh it, it's gone. Um, yeah, let's update it and then I send it. So 1738, like put save, right? All right, so let's add a new one. Add 138. Click save. One, oh no, okay. This is worse. Reversing it is, it should not be reversed. Oops. Okay, let me clear all of them. Okay, let's add one, and let's add a custom one, add here. 7:15 p.m., 5:38. Let's add one, okay, now let's add one, oh no, shoot. Can't get enough. Okay, well, add one at 8 a.m. Wait, did I even 8 a.m.? Click save. Oh, 8, okay. All right, I think that's working as expected. And what time is it right now? Add one out. Two, 38. And let's add one at like 6:15. 6:15 would be like 18:15. 18. Okay, yeah, it is working. All right, so I don't know what I was thinking. It probably wasn't being saved. That's why. If I saved it, then I think it would reload it in the same order. All right, so I don't need this to do anymore. It's already. Okay, so we got that. Only thing is, we still have to look into get. If I click this, I want the starting value to be the current time. Oh no, yeah, that's fine. We could that can be within the store, really. I mean, within the model, the current time, and I guess we can have this hard coded. But ideally, it'll be based off of the preset, right? The the preset, and this, I don't know. Yeah, I'll show the current time. Let me see if I can get the current time here. Time would equal to. Oh, I don't have it. Okay, this button needs to be. Okay, it's gone like that. Okay. No. So outside of it, it works. Yeah, but does this work? If I put 238, let's make this 245, something like that. Change this to 200. I click save. Do I have a 200 one? No, because it's not part of the form. Okay, so this, what if I have this absolute, and I have this button inside of it? And this would be actually relative to the form now. And bottom 0. Okay, form, let's column, height full. Yeah, I want to, how big is this form? That it's not, or really how, okay, so this is the div. And this form is inside of it, okay. This form, all this is inside of the form. So just a padding, maybe it'll give an increased height. Finally, and this is before. Yeah, I don't know if I needed to put it positioned like this, or if I just make it flex. Justify end. No, it was just, that's good enough. All right, so I want to close the model on okay, on, I guess it's closed. Let me see. So here, and then I have access to the model here, so I can just go model dot, no, So let me get modal and close modal here. Nope. Okay, see, that's off. 6:56 a.m. Yeah, there's still some issues with it. This should be up here. Okay, let's go back to today. This insert point is way off. We close it and try it again. So okay, and let's look at the insert index. Let's see where we're having issues. So we're not gonna save anything. Oh, record it. It just doesn't matter. So I click save at 6:38. Oh, let's go like maybe 5:38. Click save. Let's inspect. So formatted so 9:15, not 7, 17 and 6:15 is 8:38 and 5:38. So it's saying it would insert it at index 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, why? Oh God, okay. It doesn't know. Okay, so because all of these do not have padded 0, right? Let me see. That's why it's determining at the end. Okay. Let's go back to this. Um, yeah, okay. So that's basically it. Excuse me. Okay, so we're getting hours and whatever. The hours now. No, it's not this one. Which one is it? Convert this thing. Yeah. Hours. Yeah, to base 10. Remove zero padding. Hopefully this fixes all of it now. Okay, so let's remove that and let's try adding it again. What? Okay. Is this for real? Let me get rid of a lot of these so it's easy to identify. And let's inspect again. So it wanted 7:15, 8:38 time 38. No, okay, maybe this needs to be actually not in convert not in conversion. In passing. Okay, because I'm not converting this to 24 hours times 21st. Okay, yeah, either I convert this as well, or okay, yeah, new time 24. It won't really. Okay, let's go. New time would already be in 24 hours straight. So let me just what would I be? Yeah, let me just call convert on it. All it will do is just probably just remove that parsing, that zero padding. Yeah, that's probably the issue because I wasn't converting it. If it's like 5:05 whatever time, it's probably easier if I just go. Oh no, I click on save. I save it as the I convert it to the lookout time. No, you need a 24-hour time to be able to like actually find the difference. To be all right to sort them. Oh great. Oh great. Okay. Wow, would you think that? Okay. So I have 8:50, 8:38. I mean 6:50, 8:38, 2:38, and I have 4:38. And you want to insert at the top. Let me see. Okay, maybe instead of that, let me just parse. Let me take just this, parse new time times 3. So I get that in return. Hours and minutes. So here, um, instead of this, look at this dot parse new time, new time. Okay, so now let's clear it up this as well. We only have 3, right? I'm gonna try to add one between these two. So yeah, the 4, 1, and then maybe add one at 12, 12, or 2, or like, yeah, just add 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. really. 16:32, 16, 16:15. What did I add? Come on. Okay, so this is the issue. I'm trying to add it based on, yeah, I think this is the issue. I'm trying to add it based on the 24-hour time, not the locale time. So really, I have to change all of this to how that work. So I have the locale time, right? I change all of them into 24-hour time clock. So if it's, but it should still work the same way. It's like this would be what, 6:15 p.m. would be 18:15, which is larger than this, which is just 8:38. So the index should not change, right? If I'm trying to add 438, and it comes out at 16, 16, so it'll be here, so 438. Let me look at formatted term comes to. So 1438, that's correct. So it should be at index 3? No, no, okay, this is all wrong. It would be right here. Okay, so let's look at this. If the time start length, right, is wait, really how you can compare it? Okay, let me see if it's something like so if I go you can't yeah, I would have to find the actual time difference. Because if this is false, then I go to the next one. Is it greater than 838? It's false. Well, okay, that's incorrect. So yeah, this I've been misled. Okay, yeah. Let's see. This is better. This is better. Okay, so yeah, I was kind of stupid. I mean, on my part, I didn't like recognize right away. I don't think I need to parse the new time now. Okay, so here, let's close one of these. Let's see. Okay, this is let's add a 16 there. Okay, that's positioned correctly. Let's add one at 4 a.m. Oops. Yeah, that's fine at 4 a.m. There it is. Yes, yes, yes. So we're good. Only took however long. I know which ones aren't we using? Parse new time. I don't think we're using parse new time. So let's get rid of that. Convert to 24 hours. I think we're still using that. Yeah. Format time. What are we using that for? Yeah. All right. So more. All right. So well, I'm going to stop there. The next thing we're going to do is it's only 7. Oh. But it's one of those days. Just stopped raining. It was like right thunder and rain for like I think the sun's out now, and I haven't been outside all day, so I'm gonna go outside and like maybe take a walk. Something about the rain after I think there's a German word for it. I learned like it's when the I don't know what's the smell? Smell of like rain on dirt and drying. German word for after rainfall. Anchor, no. Ragenfall, no. Smell after rain. Petrichor, yeah, petrichor. Petros. Okay, I don't know if it's a German word. Seems like it's based on Greek word petros, stone in Greek, and ichor, the fluid in the veins of the Greek gods. Okay. Yeah, the earthy scent, which is when rain falls on dry soil. Yeah, that's sometimes I don't know how common it is anymore, that smell. Like in Africa, there's like less sidewalks, there's like less dog doo doo. So when it actually rains, it smells so nice. Sometimes you can catch it over here, but it's not as fragrant. It's not as like you don't like breathe it in and like you know. Here you might go outside and just like all you smell is dog crap that people didn't pick up. And just looking at dogs and say, what's the point of this rain? Meant to cleanse, but it's just like I mean, cleanses the earth, but like it just like also pushes it. I guess releases smells that you don't want to smell, like dried, wet dog crap is worse than just dried one. And let me just close it for now. Making good progress. Could be better, but I really do want to have the. I've been looking at where is it? Some actions like this for confetti like this. You've seen it, and it seems pretty simple. It's just I think adding a canvas and just drawing it. randomly in some colors. I could probably do that within an hour maybe. So I'll probably have a view. I have to update this model to accept different, yeah, a congratulations screen somewhere here. Maybe because I moved this entire thing into its own component as well, because it doesn't need to be built inside of here. And then I have the same logic, same um, H1. Then I would say you reach drink whatever the goal is, and you reach your daily goal. And then I put this banner, this confetti screen. So the issue probably is like, should if I want to display what the goal they reached inside the model, I can't access it. So I have to think about either rewriting the store so I can access it from anywhere, same as how I have the model store accessible from anywhere. Might be possible, might not, because the other stores need to be able to have communication with the background script itself like that. The model does not need to. We'll see. So it's ended right here, 2.5 hours. Had some issues earlier on, but you learn. And if you learn, you live.